Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda 3, stock number 6142. This ran from 11th 2013 to the 2nd 2019. It has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door 3 small dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,